Okay, I'm just gonna head right in. Just jumped the start ramp, and here we go. This is the original part of the downhill track that is super muddy at the moment. This little jump, and now we're into this freshly dug section that is really soft and slow because it is fresh and it is not compact at all. And there's a lot of like those mud spots where you lose pretty much all your speed. Okay. And here is where we would be coming up to a legendary section of the track, but now we're going here onto grass and just a fire road. Here you'll probably just have to tuck a lot, and then instead of going left to another OG section of the downhill track, we're choosing to go on the grass for some reason that I don't really get. Okay, over that drop. And we're now into the most downhill section of the track that I messed up a bit. Probably should have gone the higher lane that is like more to the right, and then we're gonna go here, clean the camera a bit for the last part, and then there's this little slab down, just pull and then full speed onto the final grassy turns where you just stuck. Yeah, I sat down on the back tire here before, and yeah, this is it. This is the track for the Slovenian national champs. It is it's not a downhill track. It is fun, but it's not a downhill track. Whew.